Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the Indira Gandhi. Number 1. Indira Gandhi was the first female Prime Minister of India. Number 2. She was born on the 19th of November 1917 in Allahabad. Number 3. She implemented the Green Revolution. Number 4. Her father Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Number 5. She was known for her strong leadership style. Number 6. Her legacy includes contributions to India's economic development. Number 7. She was committed to the idea of a united and strong India. Number 8. The Congress Party under her leadership won several elections. Number 9. Indira Gandhi was assassinated on 31st October 1984. Number 10. She remains a highly influential figure in Indian history. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.